Casement window installation in Eagle, Idaho is a top choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our expert team specializes in custom Casement Windows Eagle, Idaho, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration with your home's design. Whether you're interested in vinyl casement windows, Eagle ID, or aluminum casement windows Eagle, Idaho, we provide a wide range of options to suit your needs. Energy-efficient windows Eagle ID are essential for reducing energy costs and improving comfort. Our selection of double-glazed windows Eagle, Idaho offers superior insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. With our window insulation Eagle ID services, you can enjoy a more energy-efficient home year-round. Window replacement services. Eagle are crucial for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. From window frame replacement Eagle ID to window glass replacement Eagle, our skilled technicians handle all types of replacements with precision and care. We also offer window sealing services Eagle, Idaho to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. For those seeking a unique touch, custom casement windows Eagle, Idaho provide endless design possibilities. Our window design consultation Eagle services help you choose the perfect casement window styles Eagle, Idaho to complement your home's architecture. With options like wooden casement windows Eagle, you can achieve a classic, timeless look. Window maintenance Eagle ID is key to prolonging the life of your windows. Regular window cleaning services, Eagle ID and window weatherproofing. Eagle, Idaho ensure your windows remain in top condition. Our window caulking Eagle services provide an additional layer of protection against the elements. Casement window hardware Eagle is an important aspect of window functionality. We offer a variety of casement window parts. Eagle, Idaho, including window hinge replacement Eagle and casement window locks Eagle ID, to ensure your windows operate smoothly and securely. Our window security features Eagle, Idaho provide peace of mind for homeowners. Window screen installation Eagle is a practical addition to any home, allowing fresh air in while keeping insects out. Our team can install high-quality screens that fit perfectly with your existing windows. Additionally, our window sealing services Eagle, Idaho enhance the overall performance of your windows. When it's time for window replacement Eagle, trust our experts to deliver exceptional results. We offer a comprehensive range of options, from vinyl casement windows Eagle ID to aluminum casement windows Eagle, Idaho, ensuring you find the perfect match for your home. Our window replacement services are designed to enhance both the appearance and efficiency of your property. Window caulking Eagle is an essential service for maintaining the energy efficiency of your home. By sealing gaps and cracks, we help prevent air leaks and reduce energy costs. Our window weatherproofing Eagle, Idaho services further protect your home from the elements, ensuring long-lasting performance. Casement window installation. Eagle, Idaho is a smart investment for any homeowner. With our expertise in window replacement services Eagle and energy-efficient windows Eagle ID, you can trust us to deliver high-quality results. Contact us today to learn more about our comprehensive window services in Eagle, Idaho.